Short video for you today. I just always wanted to try one of these. It's a Meguiars air freshener, and you literally just open it up, click the top down, and leave it in your car. So it looks like what you get is just this thing right here. It says Meguiars air freshener, or refreshener actually. So it seems pretty simple. Engage the hands, locking trigger, and close the doors. It looks like when you push this down, it's going to stay locked. So let's try it out. I think I'm gonna put it like right there on top of the armrest. Let's see what happens. All right, air is on recirculate. That thing is filling up. Let's shut the door. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's go find out what it smells like in there. Oh, overwhelming as soon as I get in. Whoa, okay. Wow. It smells pretty good in here, actually. I highly recommend you guys check these out, because if your car's just chilling, you know, in the sun all day, maybe like if you work out and you got gym clothes in it, or like, I don't know, you do anything and your car doesn't smell good, you should probably try to take advantage of one of these Meguiars air fresheners, because they're really cool. So, thank you guys for stopping by and watching this really short video. Definitely go and check out Meguiar's new thing, this air freshener, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later.